Hello guys, welcome to DTW Math Plus. Okay, welcome. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at multiplication of whole numbers. Okay, multiplication, that's what we're going to be looking at now, and I'm going to be explaining this in several examples. All right, and if this is your first time to this channel, DTW Math Plus is all about supporting your GED math test, okay, to make sure you pass your test. All right, and please try to subscribe to this channel, share this channel with your friends, family, your loved ones, your colleagues, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment in this video. All right, and also there's a Facebook group, okay, which you can join to ask several questions on your GED. I'm going to leave the link to the Facebook group in the video description box, and also other links which you can also support us through. All right, and please just make sure you support this channel. It's quite new, and I'm planning the next one here to finish all the topics on the GED maths test. That's from your fractions all the way down to your coordinate geometry, your algebra, and all, and solving several examples. Let's get on to the video now. Okay, I'm going to divide this page. Okay, so let's multiply this. Okay, multiplication is all about combining the same amount multiple times. Okay, let's say you're told to add 20 3 times. You, instead of you saying 20 plus 20 plus 20, all you need to do is just say 20 times what 3, since you're told to multiply 23 times. Okay, so and in GED, okay, most times when they ask questions on multiplication, they usually use the parentheses. So you can see something like maybe 32 bracket 1028. It means you should multiply 1028 by what? 32. Okay, so in GED, if you see this, it also means what? Multiplication. Wherever you see parentheses, it means what? Multiplication. It means it's what? 32 times what? 1028. Okay, so let's solve some examples. I'm going to start with a very simple one, then we'll go to more advanced ones. Okay, so our first example here, I'm going to multiply 36 times what? 9. Okay, so how do we arrange? You know, there's a way you arrange your, when you want to solve for your addition, your subtraction, and also when it comes to multiplication and division. All right, if you've not watched the videos on addition and subtraction, please try to watch them. Is on the DT Math Plus channel. Okay, so here, how do we arrange this? You put the biggest number first. We have 36, then times, then you place 9. 9 is the tens, so you put it under the tens here. So have 9 here. All right, so we're now saying 9 times 6. What is 9 times 6? Okay, before I start this class, okay, or okay, let me just give you, as part of your assignment, I'm still going to give you a link to the assignment, but the first thing is, in maths you need to know your multiplication times table. Is key. Okay, so I know you're busy, you're working, it has been long, you've been out of school, but please, it's a sacrifice. All right, there's always a saying that there's a difference between saying I want, let's say for instance your GED, I want my GED, and there's difference between saying I want my GED and behaving I want my GED. Behaving I want my GED is you taking out that sacrifices, okay, and learning your multiplication table. For maths, if you want maths to be so easy for you, you need to know your multiplication times table. It's key, it's your foundational element. If you don't get it with your multiplication, oh, it will be so deep. You would hate maths and you fear it. But maths is as simple as knowing your multiplication times table. So please take out time, try to learn your multiplication times table from 1 to 12. Let it be at the back of your what? Your heart. Let it be in your heart. Okay? All right, and I'm also going to do a video on how to learn your times table easily. All right, I'll try to do that in the nearest future. All right, but let's move on to the topic. Okay, so I'm saying this so it will be easy for you to follow me as I'm doing all these multiplications. All right. why I'm emphasizing on you learning your multiplication times table is because I might be doing some particular, solving some questions here now, and you might not get some, you might get confused, okay? You might not follow me quickly, all right? That's if you don't know the multiplication times table, but please, I beg you, try to learn it, all right? All right, so what is 9 times 6? 9 times 6 is what? 54. So we drop down a 4 and we'll carry our 5 here, okay? Now, the first thing you do in multiplication, you know, in addition, immediately we'll add 5 to 3. Okay? Immediately we'll add 5 to 3. But in multiplication, please don't do that. All right? Just drop this 5 down here. Okay, up here, I mean. Then first of all, you say 9 times 3. And what is 9 times 3? That will give us what? 27. So then you now add your 5 to what? 27. And what is 5 plus 27? That will give us what? 32. Okay? This 7 plus 5 will be 2. Then carry our 1 will give us 2. So that will give us what? 32. So this is our answer for this multiplication. Alright? I hope you get me. If you go here immediately and say 5 plus 3, okay, which will give us 8. So it means you will now you would make the mistake of saying 9 times 8, and 9 times 8 will give us 72, which the answer is going to be wrong. Okay, so you just drop this 5 up here first, then you multiply 9 times 3, then whatever value you get, you add to what you've carried, okay, to this side. All right, so our answer here is what? 324. Okay, let's do one more. Okay, we have here 50 times 26. Okay, so let's write this down. We have 50 and we have what? 26 times. Okay, so we'll start from here. We'll start from our right. We'll go, you can see in maths, we always go from our right towards the left. All right. Okay, so we say 6 times 0 will give us what? 0. Is that not it? And 6 times 5 will give us what? 30. So we write down 30. All right. If there was another number here, we would have put down 0 and carry 3. But there's no other number here. So the next we'll do what? 2 times 0. Okay, what's 2 times 0 is what? 0. And we'll put down our 0 here. Okay. You don't put it down here. No. Follow me closely. So you leave a space immediately after this first number here. Okay, you put it under the second what number, so you put it as what? 0. And what is 2 times 5? We have 10, so we write down what? 10. Okay, and we are going to what? Add. So we have here 0 plus 0 will give us what? A 0, and 0 plus this 0 will give us a 0, and 3 plus 0 will give us a 3, and here we have, there's nothing here, which is 0, and 0 plus 1 will give us what? A 1. Our answer is what? 1,300. Okay, are you following me? And are you seeing the steps and the rules we use in multiplication? All right, when you've, after the first step, okay, you've gotten the answer, the next step now, you place it immediately after the first what? Digit here. Okay, so you place it under the second digit. If there was another number here for us to multiply, we're going to place it immediately after what? The second digit of the second line. All right, we're going to see that very soon now. Okay, so we have our third example. Let's say we are to multiply 501 times what? 261. Okay, we're going to see something that would happen now. So we have here 501 times what? 261. Okay, we'll draw a line. We'll start from 1. 1 times 1 will give us what? 1. 1 times 0 will give us what? A 0. And 1 times 5 will give us what? 5. Okay, is that not it? Then here, the next number is 6. 6 times 1 will give us what? A 6. 6 times 0 will give us what? 0. And 6 times 5 will give us what? 30. Alright, the next number is what? 2. 2 times 1 will give us, place immediately, you can see the steps I'm taking. Place this immediately here. The second line, we're going to place the next value under the second line of the second what? Number. Okay, so 2 times 1 we'll place is what? 2. So we'll place 2 here, and 2 times 0 is what? 0, and 2 times 5 will give us what? 10. So we have 0, 1, and we add everything up. So we have here 1 plus 0 will give us what? A 1. And 0 plus 6 will give us a 6. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 2 will give us what? 7. And here we have 0 plus 0 is a 0. And here we have 3 plus 0 will give us what? A 3. And we have a 1 here. So this is our answer, 130,761. Okay, so you can see the steps you have to use to what? To multiply. You can see here the first multiplication was placed here. The second one was placed immediately after the first digit was placed under here. Then for the third step, you place it immediately after what? The first digit under you place here. Okay, if you have any question, please feel free to drop your comments. Okay, and I'm also going to give you assignments for you to try out, so I'll know where you're having difficulty in. All right, so let's do one more difficult one. All right, let's say we have, okay, I don't want to erase this. Let's say we have 49 bracket 2018. How do we do this? So it will be the big number first. We have 2018, sorry, 8 times what? 49. All right, so what is 9 times 8 will give us what? 72. So we have a 2 and we drop a 7 here. 9 times 1 is 9, and what is 9 plus 7 is what? 16. So we have 6 here and we carry what? A 1. 9 times 0 is what? 0, and 0 plus 1 will give us what? 1. Okay, then 9 times 2, what will 9 times 2 give us? That will give us 18, and we'll drop our 18. Here we have 4. 4 times 8 is what? 32. So we drop our 2 here and we'll carry what? 3. And what's 4 times 1? 4 times 1 is 4. And 4 plus 3 will give us what? 7. 4 times 0 is what? A 0. And 4 times 2 will give us what? 8. Okay, so this is it. And we add up all these two numbers. Okay, and we're left here with, we have 2 here, that's 2 plus 0, and we have 2 plus 6 plus 2 will give us 8. 1 plus 7 will give us 8, and 8 plus 0 will give us what? 8, and 1 plus 8 will give us what? 9. So here we have what? 98,882. So this is our answer for this multiplication here. You can see, as I told you earlier on, you just this like what happened here just now, where we have 4 times 8, which is what? 32. We drop down a 2 and we carry a 3. Okay, I didn't add the 3 immediately to 1. No, I just held it. You first of all multiply 4 times 1, which is 4, then you add the 4 to 3, which is what? 7. That's why we got 7 here. And remember, when we did the multiplication for the second line, we started writing our answers from the second what? Value, under the second value. Okay, we didn't put it here. If you put it here, you're going to get a wrong answer. Okay, where you're going to have 2 plus 2 and it will be 4. All right, which is going to be wrong if you test your answer in a calculator. All right, okay, so we're going to stop here, and I have assignments for you, okay, which I'm going to drop in the video description box. Okay, and please sure you do the assignment and submit back to me, and I would score you. And also don't forget the Facebook group. You can also reach out to me there. Any questions you need motivation, just make sure just know that we are there. We have a group of community. We have a community that is able to support you to make sure you achieve your GED. It's never too late. Okay, it's never too late. And the word of God says a living dog is better than a dead lion. All right, as far as you're living, you can do it. All right, make sure you spend all your days doing that thing that you love. Okay, it's not about saying it, but it's about behaving it. So every day behave what you want, and I'm sure with God's grace you shall achieve it. Okay, as we come to the end of this video, don't forget, Jesus Christ is coming soon. Give your life to Christ. You are destined to win. All right, see you soon in our next video. And if you haven't watched the previous video, please feel free to watch them, okay, and do your exercises. All right, thank you. You are destined to win. Bye for now.